Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Al Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal Unification School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class Junior 1. Our today's lecture number is 25 and our homework number is 23. Our today's topic is missing numbers. Topic is missing numbers. Lecture number 25 for the annual term examination, and your homework number is 23. Okay, dear students, so let's start our class. Today's topic is so easy, you know very well what is missing numbers. In your question number 2, it will be appeared and some will be blank. You have to fill these blanks, okay, with the number. So our today's first is 2A. Activity A is the first number is given 325 and the next number is blank, then it's 327, and we know that after 325 it appears 326 and 326 comes before 327. That means this flag in this blank it will be 326. So easy, it should be 326. Okay, so the next blank it will be what? Next blank is, before this blank we have 327, then it's blank, it should be 328. It should be 328 because 320 comes after 327. That's why this blank will be filled up with 328. Okay, the next blank before number is 329. That means the next number is what? 330. It would be 330 in the blank, 330. So our next number is given also 331. So next blank will be after this number. Which number appear after this? 332 appears after 331. It should be 332. Okay, now the next blank appears after the number of 333. That's why the next number should be 334. The next blank will be filled up with 334 because 334 comes after 333. You know, this is very easy to understand, right? You have to fill up all the blanks after a number. Okay, suppose this is B. This is B. Suppose this is 480. It's given 480. So we have to fill up this blank. Which number comes after 480? Which number comes after 480? You have to fill up this blank with that number. So which number comes after 480? It's 481. So it would be 481. 481. Next number is given 482. That means our next blank will be filled up with 483 because 483 comes after the number 482. So the next number is given also 484. So this next blank will fill up the number, which number comes after 484. After 484 it comes 485. 485. 485 comes after 484. The next number of 485 is given 486. So the next blank will be filled up with the number which comes after 486. It should be 487. 487 comes after 486. That's why this blank will fill up with 487. So next number is also given 488. So the last number will be fill up. Thus blank will fill up that number. Which number comes after 488? It should be 489 because 489 comes after 488. Okay, and you can do this very easily because you know this topic is very, very easy. Okay, your homework number is 23 and your homework is this one. Okay, is homework is this one. This homework is only one. You have to write down homework number 23 on your assigned homework copy, and you should write down 2A. Okay, then you should fill up this one. You should write down all the numbers, all the blanks, and then write the class. You should do the homework. Okay, so the first number is given in the homework 361. You should fill up this one. So this one will be what? After 361, which number comes? It's 362. Like this, you have to fill up all the blank. Next number is 363, then it's blank. then 365, then it's blank, then 367 and then also blank, and now 369, the last number is blank. So you have to fill up all these 5 blanks. Okay, I hope you understand my today's lecture. Okay, you should do your homework in your assigned homework copy, and you have to submit your homework copy in every Sunday from 8 AM to 4 PM, because you know that your homework is very, very important for you, because we will give you CT marks and SBA marks on the basis of your HW copy. Stay home, stay safe. See you again. Allah Hafiz.